This app is called SoundTouch. SoundTouch provides drawing and pictures across 6 different categories. Each category has 12 drawings that open when you tap on them, and each tap shows a new picture. The app has 4 variations of actual photos paired with the sound each object or animal makes. This is what you'll see in the App Store when you open it up. Let's take a look. So this is SoundTouch. So basically you can see your categories down here at the bottom that you can go to. And then if I tap on a picture, let's go with the cat.
Cat.
It'll show me a picture and will give me the sound that that animal makes. When I tap, it goes back out into the main screen. If I tap on cat again, notice something.
Cat.
We actually get a different cat and a different sound. A much more persistent cat, if you will. So as you click, you will get different exemplars of these animals. So basically you see the picture and it's paired with the word and the visual of that. So you get to see the word, hear the word, and then see the picture paired with it. Okay. So I go back out here. Obviously, if I show you different animals, you would see the same thing. So our different categories, we've got this category of animals. We've got some other animals, more kind of jungle-esque animals, if you will. We've got different types of birds. We have vehicles. Okay, so you see we've got the drawings here.
Motorboat.
It's actually going to show me different kinds of boats.
Ship. Sailboat.
So it shows different types so you can learn about different categories within each of these. You also have musical instruments. Again, this will play the musical instrument for us.
Harp.
And last, things that you would see around the house. So basically in this app, a child can simply tap on the picture, see different exemplars, hear the word. So it works on some of those receptive language skills, shows you the visual word, gives us the vocal pronunciation of the word. So lots of different ways that we can work on vocabulary with kids through this app. Plus, it's just fun. They might really enjoy looking
Cows.
at different animals. So if they have a favorite animal, this may be a really fun app to come in and play and see different pictures, but also at the same time, they're learning. So that's SoundTouch. Hope you enjoy.